Need it.
Well, here is meteorologist Aaron White. He's been tracking this storm, and we are expecting a lot of action this weekend.
Really?
Heading into Sunday.
This time tomorrow night, we'll have action.
Yeah.
We will have snow. There will be snow falling across central and southern Ohio by this time, and it's going to really pick up after tomorrow night, after midnight, and by Sunday morning, I mean, we're talking about some heavy snow coming down, and it's going to come down an inch per hour, not out of the question, so...
That's a lot.
Yeah, so a lot of snow is on the way, and we have made some updates to the snowfall forecast. I mentioned it at the beginning of the show. We'll show that here in just a moment, but a 10 weather impact alert is here for the weekend as we are tracking this winter storm, and then bitter cold still as we head through next week, as we could be actually seeing air temperatures below zero, and we're not far from there right now. We're at 4 degrees this hour, but it feels like it's down to 11 below zero here this evening, so very cold conditions here for tonight. Now, zooming things out, our storm system is moving across the southern U.S., already kicking some snow into Oklahoma, Kansas, parts of Arkansas, Missouri, rain across Texas, and even ice as well. And that whole system is building to the east. And just look at this. I mean, how large of a storm this really is, because it affects so many states from Texas, Oklahoma, New Mexico, all the way up to New England. All that pink, those are winter storm warnings. The dark purple, those are ice storm warnings, so those are affecting parts of Texas through Louisiana, Mississippi, parts of Tennessee as well. Even the Atlanta metro, some heavy freezing rain. That's going to lead to significant impacts here as we go through the weekend. And of course, for us here in Ohio, we have winter storm warnings for nearly the entire state, except for the northwest corner, but still they're going to see some snow. The entire state of Ohio will get some snow here through the weekend, especially going here into our Sunday. Now, when we talk about the snow and the overall impacts, we are expecting moderate to potentially major impacts, especially in southern Ohio, where some of the numbers, the snowfall amounts, will be on the higher side, and we'll see that here in just a moment. So let's go through this hour by hour through tonight, tracking pretty quiet conditions, clear skies. It's going to be cold out there. Temperatures could briefly dip below zero in a few places. Clouds will increase here as we head into tomorrow morning. And then by the afternoon, watch what happens here as we get later into the afternoon. That snow builds in, continues as we head through the evening hours, and it gets heavy. That dark blue showing up there, some heavy snow. That will really expand in coverage here as we go through your Saturday night. And by Sunday morning, notice even some deeper blue. Heavy snow, an inch per hour, not out of the question here across central and especially southern Ohio, south of I-70, and that's where we're likely going to see some of that heavy snow. It continues through the morning hours, through the afternoon, and then gradually starts to clear out of here as we head towards late Sunday evening and, of course, into Sunday night. So once all is said and done, how much snowfall are we talking? Well, we have introduced this 12-inch plus. Over a foot of snowfall, not out of the question here across southern Ohio, but generally speaking, we are seeing at least 6 to 12 inches of snowfall again once all is said and done here by Sunday night. And we are going to have extended coverage here throughout the weekend. You see that QR code right there? Go ahead and grab your phone, scan that QR code. It will take you to a page that will tell you how to download 10 TV on your phone, but also on your TV, so you can watch us throughout the weekend as we have extended coverage here of the winter storm that will impact all of central and southern Ohio with, again, 6 to 12 inches, possibly more snowfall here by the end of the weekend. So 10 weather impact alert here through your Sunday for the winter storm. Bitter cold here Monday into Tuesday, temperatures down below zero, and unfortunately as we go through the 7-day forecast, we are locked into that cold here as we head into next week.